Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. विश्वगुरु शील प्रभुपाद की जय, नाम प्रभु की जय. Japa is about worshipping the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna. Krishna is the cause of all causes. Krishna is a Param Ishvara, the Supreme Controller of all His creation. Krishna is the completing personality of each of his part and parcel. Everything in this existence is incomplete when separated from Krishna. Each one of us, when separated from Krishna, we are incomplete. When we are with Krishna, we are complete. Entire existence is for Krishna. We are also meant for Krishna. But Krishna is not a selfish enjoyer. Krishna wants to share his infinite enjoyment, infinite joy, infinite knowledge with all of us. Infinite rasa, relationship with unlimited living entities. So Krishna is waiting to receive the seva that we give, want to give. In the unmanifest form, Krishna is everywhere, within and without of everything. Rather, we can say everything is in Krishna. So Krishna is available. Between us and Krishna, there is no distance. Krishna and we are not separated by material distance. We are separated with Krishna only due to lack of bhakti. So therefore, wherever a Jivatma wants to serve him, wants to glorify him, then he becomes prakata. He becomes manifest. There is no need to go search for God. God is everywhere in an aprakata form, and in his incarnation he is there as prakata form. And this nama is one of the prakata form. He manifests in this world as the nama. So Krishna himself can manifest in deity form, manifest in nama form, manifest in guru form. They're all manifestation of Krishna. So if somebody wants to serve God, then one need not think in his mind, where is God to receive my service? How do I know He is receiving my service? All that to learn from Guru, Sadhu and Shastra, that Krishna receives our service immediately. How much relationship we want with God, God is ready to give Himself to us. Krishna's only business is to be with His devotees, to be aware of His devotees, to show mercy to His devotees, show love to His devotees. And therefore, devotees' only business is always to think of Krishna. Always serve Him. Krishna being absolute, there's no limitation for Him. When He decides I am the deity, He is deity. When He decides I am the sound that you chant, it's Him. And Krishna is Surya of Satchidananda. Krishna means Krishna, the Supreme Personality with the supreme energies. Both Krishna and his energies incarnate in Kali Yuga, Kali Kale, Namarupe, Krishna Avatara. They descend in a most accessible manner. Simply you have to move your tongue and God is right there. How to recognize Him? How to feel Him? He is there. That is something that you will achieve by hearing from Guru, Sadhu and Shastra, hearing from Prabhupada, that Krishna, what is His omnipotency? Why you'll be convinced? Yes, because we are all dear to Krishna. One Krishna, one Supreme Personality of Godhead. We are all His amshas. So therefore, this chanting is not ordinary activity. This chanting of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra and hearing the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, it's a direct worship of Krishna. And Krishna is before us in the Shabda Rupa, Shabda Vigraha. Vigraha can be made of anything, right? Because everything is Him. Normally, Archa Vigraha made of stone, metal, this thing, so many pictures, all that. You add to that list another Vigraha. What is that Vigraha? Shabda Vigraha. So Lord is before us in the Shabda Vigraha. Nama Shabda Vigraha. Should have full faith that the Supreme Lord unconditionally loves me. That is the reason He comes down on your tongue. If you want to devotedly give your attention. So everything begins, the worship begins chanting begins with chanting. You use your tongue and chant, it is worship of Krishna. You chant, give your attention to that sound. Even better worship that is. You chant. As you chant, you give attention to hearing. In addition, feel devotion towards the Shabda Vigraha. Even better chanting. Even better japa. You chant, give your tongue, give your attention means give your mind, because mind is a carrier of attention. Attention belongs to soul, but mind is the one who shifts here and there. You fix your attention on Krishna, Nama who is before you. That is improved worship of Krishna, Krishna Nama. Even more improved worship of Krishna Nama is what should be your mood in which you are before Him. Mood of Sharanagati, surrender. Mood of you being predominated and He is a predominator. Krishna's position is always predominator. In every situation, He is a predominator. He is the enjoyer and we are the enjoyed. So my chanting and hearing, He enjoys. Why does He enjoy? He enjoys because I am reviving my relationship with Him. This chanting will awaken my Krishna consciousness. Oh, he is chanting and hearing. Okay. Now he will awaken faster. He is chanting, hearing, and he has faith that I am before him. And he is offering Sharanagati, surrender. Oh. This is even better quality of service. Here is my devotee. He is chanting mechanically. He is not hearing. Thinking of so many other things while the tongue is chanting. Still the Lord is there. But he's saying, oh, how foolish my devotee is. I am before him. I am available as a sound for him to embrace with his attention. But his attention is going somewhere else. If he embraces me, then there can be flow of Satya, Chitta, Ananda Shakti into him to awaken him his consciousness. Because Krishna is the Surya of Satchidananda. Just like Prabhupada says, a piece of iron put in the fire, slowly it becomes hot. Hotter, hotter, red hot. Red hot means fire like ho gaya. In the same way, Krishna is thinking, he is chanting, I am there, the fire of Satchidananda. But he is not coming into the fire of Satchidananda. Only when you give attention, then you are in the fire. So Krishna is very pleased if we chant and hear. Pleased for us. उसको कुछ नहीं मिलता है. उसको हमारा सुख मिलता है. My Jeev who is suffering will get liberated. उससे आनंद आता है कृष्ण को. Oh, this devotee is advancing. Advancing means what? Remembering more and more. He is awakening his love for me. So therefore Krishna is pleased with each bead of japa. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So therefore you have to chant here with Shraddha. Shraddha means Krishna is the sound, omnipotent. If I touch this sound, how can sound be touched? By hearing. Krishna is physically before you. You can embrace him, body to body, with your arms around him. Now also you can embrace him, but you have to embrace him with your attention. Just like a piece of iron put in the fire embraces, the iron embraces the fire. Similarly, when we do japa, Krishna is before us. Krishna is before his devotee. And Krishna is expecting. अगर एक आदमी आपके आगे आते हैं, कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है. So Shabda Vigraha is expecting that you hear him for your benefit. And quickly become red hot. Abhi Atma is in refrigerator. Just to come out of the refrigerator. For that you need a Shakti. Just like you in the ice, you add heat, then it becomes water. Shakti chahiye. Similarly, our soul is now immersed in Asat, Achit, Nirananda. The cold refrigerator. But when we hear Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, uninterruptedly, आँख से बाहर नहीं आना, आँख के अंदर ही बैठना. One mantra हो गया, another mantra, बीच में कुछ सोचना नहीं. Moment you think you are out of the fire. Why? You are in the fire because of the attention. Attention is a connection between the soul and the Nama who is before you. Attention नहीं है तो आगे आ गया लेकिन कनेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं. कनेक्ट करने से ही क्या होता है? फ्लो होता है. आइस मेल्ट हो जाता है, पानी होता है, पानी बाद में गर्म होता है, बाद में स्टीम होता है. नाम को टच करके we'll see our ignorance will go away. Opposite of ignorance is what? Knowledge. Pure knowledge awaken hota hai. Ananda, bliss, happiness. That manifests. So as I said, the ice becomes water, water becomes warmer, warmer. Water starts boiling. Then water becomes steam. वो कृष्ण प्रेम है. इतना टच करके एसोसिएशन करके स्पिरिचुअल एनर्जी फ्लो होता है. इट गोस, द सोल गोस इनटू द इंटरनल एनर्जी, and that internal energy will give us it's like steam, you'll get the experience of Krishna Prema. So, starting from melting the ice, some self-purification, up to Krishna Prema, you can get by chanting and hearing. Not only by chanting. Chanting and you are hearing your thoughts. You are not touching the fire. Simple secret. इतना ही समझना है बस. प्रभुपाद का एक ही एग्जाम्पल में पूरा जपा के बारे में समझ सकता है. क्या एग्जाम्पल है? आयरन पुट इन द फायर. उसको क्या क्या होता है आप एनालाइज करो. यही होता आत्मा को. When you go on chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. आत्मा ये सच्चिदानंद की फायर को टच करते हैं अपने अटेंशन की द्वारा. कनेक्टिंग कॉर्ड है अटेंशन. जैसे आपके घर के ऊपर वाटर टैंक है, घर के ऊपर ही है, वाटर फुल, लेकिन पाइप कनेक्शन नहीं दिया. कुछ फायदा है? सिमिलरली व्हेन यू चैंट, रिजर्वायर ऑफ सच्चिदानंद हमारा आ गया है, लेकिन अटेंशन नहीं है तो कुछ फ्लो नहीं होता है. हमको कुछ अनुभव नहीं हो रहा है. हम जप कर रहे हैं, हम बहुत साल से जप कर रहे हैं, हमको कुछ अनुभव नहीं हो रहा है. क्यों? आप टंग से जप कर रहे हैं तो बहुत भगवान के नाम है, बहुत पुण्य मिलेगा, वो अलग बात है. भक्ति अलग है, पुण्य अलग है. इसलिए नहीं सुनेगा तो भी परवाह नहीं, चैट करना तो अच्छा ही है. ये हमारा गोल वो नहीं है. हमको भी सच्चिदानंद बनना है. I also want to realize beyond the body my real true nature, who I am. अभी फंसा हुआ है ये बॉक्स के अंदर. ये शरीर एक बॉक्स है. शरीर के अंदर बैठा है व्यक्ति को अटेंशन है. ये भी एक बॉक्स है, लैपटॉप. उसके अंदर व्यक्ति नहीं है, अटेंशन नहीं है, एंजॉयर नहीं है, सफरर नहीं है. मैं जो बात करता है वो सुन के समझने के लिए वो कोई अंदर नहीं है, लेकिन पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन है. इंफॉर्मेशन इज डिफरेंट, नॉलेज इज डिफरेंट. इंफॉर्मेशन बॉक्स है. इधर जो नहीं है वो भी इधर है, उतना इंफॉर्मेशन है. तो इसलिए दैट इज वाई इट इज, प्रभुपाद सेज, चैंट and exactly the same sound do hear. It's a very mystical process. Japa is a highly mystical process. For instance, to have Shraddha that this is a reservoir of Satchidananda, ये तो आंख से कुछ देखता नहीं, क्या रिजर्वायर है. श्रद्धा चाहिए. Sat is eternity, knowledge, pure knowledge and bliss. ये मटेरियल सेंसेस से पकड़ नहीं सकता है। अभी ये जो मटेरियल सूर्य है देख सकता है, वो इतना लाइट है, ऐसा ही है। कृष्ण नाम सूर्य ऑफ सत्य चित्तन आनंद, आनंद की सूर्य आप एक बकेट में पानी होता है, एक ग्लास में पानी होता है, समुद्र में भी पानी होता है, पानी की समुद्र बोलते हैं। तो आनंद की समुद्र है कृष्ण। हमारा पाइपलाइन से कनेक्ट हो गया, उधर से थोड़ा आनंद इधर आ जाएगा। कंटिन्यूसली कनेक्शन रखेगा, कनेक्शन तोड़ेगा ही नहीं, तो आपको सत्य सप्लाई, चित्त सप्लाई, आनंद सप्लाई परिपूर्णता हो जाएगा। यू बिकम रियलाइज्ड। कृपा ये मैकेनिकल फ्लोइंग नहीं है, पानी जैसे वाटर टैंक, ये सब उदाहरण है, ये सब कृपा है, उसका प्रेम है, नाम प्रभु का प्रेम है, जो जप करता है उनके ऊपर प्रेम है, उसको अविद्या से लिबरेट कर देते हैं। सचमुच कृष्ण आनंद क्या है कि उसको वो डोज दे देते हैं उसका हृदय में। वो आनंद अनुभूति करने से दूसरा आनंद सब बोगस आनंद है, चीटिंग आनंद है, केमिकल आनंद है, ब्रेन आनंद है, हृदय की आनंद नहीं है। सो इसलिए मिनिमम चैंटिंग, अटेंशन से सुनना है, साथ साथ में श्रद्धा भी होना है कि ये सच्चिदानंद की समुद्र है, कृष्णा है, परम कृपालु है, और मुझे उसका एसोसिएशन चाहिए। अब एक एग्जाम्पल देता हूं। आप बोलते हैं प्रभु मुझे आपका एसोसिएशन चाहिए, मैं बोलेगा ठीक है आ जाओ, बैठो, हम कुछ कृष्ण कथा बोलेंगे। फिजिकली तो इधर आ गया, लेकिन आप सुन नहीं रहे हैं मैं जो बोलता है। बिना सुन के एसोसिएशन होता है? नहीं होता है। इसी तरह भगवान की नाम जप करते हैं, वो नहीं सुनेगा तो एसोसिएशन नहीं हो रहा है। लेकिन आग इतना पावरफुल है, आग के बाहर एक लोहा रखेगा, उस पर थोड़ा हीट लगेगा ना, अंदर आएगा तो पूरा रेड डॉट हो जाएगा, बाहर रखेगा तो भी हीट होगा। वो हीट आप एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं अभी। जब सोलफुल जपा करते हैं तो अंदर चला जाता है। अभी ऑलरेडी ये हीट से आपको इतना आनंद आ रहा है, कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस को आपने एम्ब्रेस कर लिया, ये अच्छा है कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस। ये क्या इफेक्ट है? आग का बाहर बाजू में कड़ा है, उसकी अनुभूति है। सोच के देखो, आप हर शब्द को सुन के 16 राउंड करेंगे तो अंदर जाएंगे, फायर के अंदर स्पिरिचुअल रियलाइजेशन आएंगे। सो प्रभुपाद गोल्डन कमांड क्या है? एक ही लाइन है, बाय हार्ट करो, चैंट एंड एग्जैक्टली सेम साउंड यू हियर। अभी एक चैंट किया, उसको छोड़ना नहीं, नेक्स्ट वन सुनेंगे नहीं, इसको सुनना है, नेक्स्ट वन को सुनना है, नेक्स्ट वन को सुनना है। एवरी वर्ड एज यू अटर यू शुड हियर। हियरिंग मीन्स व्हाट? कनेक्शन हो गया, आत्मा गर्म हो रहा है, सत हीट, चित्त हीट और आनंद हीट। हरे कृष्णा। विश्व गुरु शिल प्रभुपाद की, नाम प्रभु की। लेट अस with their seeking their blessings to complete the next 32 rounds. Let us start now.
Sri Krishna.